let's go for a ride in a 1999 Mini 40 MPI with John Cooper Works kit on it. All right, so here we go. We're going for a ride in a Mini 40 MPI with a John Cooper Works conversion kit on it. Anthony and his darling wife drove all the way up from Crescent City, California to have us do our complimentary service and maintenance on this. After last summer, we had done a tremendous amount of upgrades and improvements on this cute and darling little car. So we started out with a 99 Mini 40 MPI Special Edition, Anniversary Edition. The first Mini was created in 1959, so in 1999 they came out with the 40th Anniversary Edition, and these are wonderful cars. I love the interior, I love the color, I love everything about it. What Anthony allowed us to do was the John Cooper Works conversion kit on it. We changed the wheels and tires, 7x13 deep dish with a 3-piece style, Nankang tires. We did 4-piston alloy calipers with adjustable suspension front and rear sway bars from KAD. Oh man, the list just keeps going. Look at this Nardi steering wheel. Oh, this is a very comfortable position. This suede steering wheel is just magnificent. It has the diamond dashboard. We added a bunch of John Cooper signature badges around it. I think we did real tasteful upgrades. We didn't go completely berserk, although we did improve everything mechanically. We put some Bilstein shocks all the way around it, some genuine Dr. Alex Moulton suspension cones, high-lows, I mean everything. So let's see how it goes. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I think I like to give myself a little pat on the back for that one. This car is awesome. I'm trying to think of all the things we did because there's so many. Here's what's really cool. So last summer we did all of this work, tremendous amount of work. You know, the suspension, the engine, the tuning, the extras, the chrome, the upgrades, the trim, all that stuff. And I told them, I said, when you're ready, put a couple thousand miles on it because the suspension's going to settle. And when it does, I need you to come back. So they drove 6 hours from Crescent City, California. They're staying in a hotel, and we got them in and out in a day. We changed the oil, torqued the head, adjusted the valves, set the ride height. We put 300 millimeters up front, and we did 320 millimeters in the rear. Did all of the little doodads, all the little touches that need to, happen after you drive a car for a while, and put some miles on it, and got rid of some vibrations and some rattles. It's a Mini. And, well, we're done, and now they get to come pick it up and take it home. I think they're going to Ohio, too, so it's going for quite a ride. Yeah. So isn't that cool? So don't be afraid to bring us your car. If you think you live too far away, you don't. Come see us. We will take care of you. We'll do our best. I promise. All right. Well, there you go. That was your ride along in a Mini 40 Special Edition with John Cooper Works conversion. Now it's time to go call Anthony and his wife and tell them to come pick it up and get their pride and joy. See you on the next one.